folks, I've got a tenor ukulele to show you today. This one was first time for me to using a new kind of wood. This is called golden Chinquapin or giant Chinquapin or western Chinquapin. There's a bunch of different trees and bushes that actually share a similar name, so it's a little bit confusing. But I got a plank of this wood from a boat builder, and he'd had it sitting for years and years and never touched it. And I saw it was quarter sawn, so I thought, let's make some ukuleles from it. So the back and sides are from that. You can see it's curly and golden and very beautiful. And the top is some western red cedar. It's the same cedar that I salvaged from a hot tub that these drawer fronts are made of behind me here. It's some of my favorite stuff to work from, and I just imagine that it comes pre-soaked, and it's got all kinds of little beauty marks and the natural flaws in it that come from a life well lived. The neck is some mahogany with maple stripe, and I thought it matched the Chinquapin really well. And then pistachio fretboard and head plate, maple binding, and I went for maple for the bridge, and it's nice. So Chinquapin kind of feels like oak to me, maybe between oak and mahogany. It's nice with the cedar top. This feels real crisp to me, but nice sustain and lots of warmth. I think the cedar and the Chinquapin are a good pair. Yeah, just feels lovely. It's one of those ones that feels lightweight but solid, and I just really appreciate it. This is number 680. Ready to go. Cheers.